looking at the action and supporting their teams. And here we have the first Welsh fighter to enter cage 1, as we have Rory Barton Williams of Wales, who has entered the cage, ready to go. And there is his opponent, Abdunaim Rahimov of Tajikistan. No touch of gloves there. Instead, some nice strikes there from Rahimov of Tajikistan. Oh, but look at that, a nice little lateral drop there from Barton Williams. But armbar, right into the armbar. Oh, Barton Williams tries to roll out of it. Whew. Now he's in the triangle instead. It's like out of a frying pan into the fire. Mounted triangle now. Oh, this looks bad for the Welsh fighter. Can Rahimov get it? Oh, switches back to the armbar. Oh, that looks tight, and there is the tap. Wow, how about Tajikistan's Abdunaim Rahimov? Intensity from the very first second. Credit to Rory Barton Williams. He had some good moves trying to sort of roll out of things. He's got nothing to be ashamed of.